Welcome back to the Gator Metal Roofing YouTube channel. I am your host, Nicole, where we talk all things metal roofing, from colors to installations, and of course, our impressive lifetime warranty. And we love to give our homeowners across the Carolinas a huge shout out. And today we are in Havelock, North Carolina, and I am here with Miss Irina. Miss Irina, how are you doing today?
I'm pretty good, thank you.
Yeah, well, thanks so much for having us. How long have you lived in your beautiful home for?
I've been living here since 2006.
2006, and this home?
Yeah.
You've lived in this home for over about 2 decades. What does your kind of ongoing maintenance look like when it comes to not even just your roof, just normal wear and tear of the home, upgrading, things like that?
Yeah, of course, we always have to. I just recently have to install new water heater, and the roof was #1 major issue because it's a big project, it's expensive, the house is big, and it was a miracle for me to meet Gator Metal Roofing and Matt, who did everything.
Yeah, shout out to Matt. What was the old condition like of your roof? Why did you know that you really needed to focus on that?
It was really very bad because I had like 5 tarps on it.
Yeah.
Some of the tarps I had to install myself, and a couple of times I invited here the professional guy, and he did 2 tarps for me, and I asked him what condition of the roof. And many times people said that they've never seen such a thin shingles.
Yeah.
Never. I guess the previous owner just wanted to save money and put shingles like that. But I asked Dallas, and he said this roof had to be replaced long time ago, at least 5-10 years ago.
And since we are in Havelock, Havelock is prone to a lot of storms, especially during hurricane season. Were you noticing after storms you were picking up shingles in your yard and things like that?
Of course.
Was there kind of a turning point? Was it the price? Was there a turning point that really got you thinking, okay, this is finally time to upgrade my roof. It's been a long time coming. This is something I really need to prioritize.
I guess it was just destiny, I would say. The good circumstances came together. My buddy, he found this advertisement, and he said it's $90 a month, which of course I would say, oh, I can afford it. And a metal roof is always better than everybody say the shingle roof. So I just gave it a chance, and I gave them a call, and Matt came, and he was able to do all the finances, and I got financed. And the roof was done in 2 weeks.
That's amazing.
And they did it in 1.5 days.
That's amazing. Like you said, kind of like the universe, everything just kind of lined up.
It just came together.
Yeah. What made you decide to pick this beautiful dark gray color?
No, because it's neutral. I figured it'll match with everything.
Yeah. It looks good. It looks good with the white, the yellow. Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah.
Something you mentioned before was, this is something you wanted to upgrade for a while, and it is an investment, and we acknowledge that. And talking about different, affordable plans that we offer, things like that. What were you mentioning about that earlier?
Your colleague?
Yes.
Matt, he was able to get me a good rate, interest rate. So, I mean, it's a little bit higher than what was advertised, but everybody say my house is big. It's my priority, because without roof, you can do nothing. You can go nowhere. You can do nothing in the house if you don't have a good roof.
And it just gives you that peace of mind, whether we do have a Carolina storm, just something that you don't have to worry about. And, God forbid, you have a lifetime warranty. So if any issues do arise in the future, or it's also transferable too, if you were wanting to pass your home down to someone or sell it, or for whatever reason, there's so many things you can do with the warranty. So since you've had your roof installed, have you noticed kind of a difference of the energy bills in your house? Does it feel cooler, hotter?
It actually is, because Matt also told me you're gonna have your electric bill will be less. And during the summertime, I noticed it because the house really stayed cooler.
Good, because this summer was hot.
I know, so that's great. I'm gonna watch how in the wintertime it's gonna hold temperature.
Yeah, and because you got it right before kind of the heat of the summer, and right now the start of the winter. So that is a really cool, interesting thing. And that's another question we get a lot is when it rains here, have you noticed is it noisy inside?
Yeah, I worried about it because metal and everything, but really it's not. It's not. It's really kind of like a light music.
Yeah, like some ASMR in the background.
I actually like it. It's a little bit, like a, it's of course the color is different. I mean, the noise is different, but it's pretty light, and it's actually pretty, I would say.
No, I'm glad you mentioned that. I agree. I think it's a pretty sound.
It's not strong sound at all.
Yeah, I think a lot of people have this misconception from metal roofs, like in the 80s and 90s, of them being really loud, and it's really not the case.
It's not.
Do you have any advice for maybe future homeowners watching this? Maybe they were kind of in a situation similar to you before, where their roof, their old roof needed a lot of TLC, and they've kind of been on the fence of, contemplating whether or not they want to upgrade to a metal roof, what would you tell them?
I mean, everybody who I talked to, they told me metal roof is better than shingles. I mean, I just didn't have no worries about it or thoughts about it, because metal, it lasts forever. That's what they told me so.
Yeah, and it does, for sure. And how was it working with our team? And you've mentioned great words about Matt. So how was it working with our team? You said they kind of came in and did the job within 2 days. From beginning to end, how was it working with our team?
Very professional guys, very professional. I actually made some videos for my family and for myself. They just worked hard and fast, and they cleaned everything. So I was very happy.
Good.
Professional team.
That's what we love to hear. Awesome. Well, Irina, any last words, any piece of advice for anyone watching about, upgrading to a metal roof?
Well, guys, I was very happy to run into Gator metal roofing, and it was a great experience for me and great luck. And I'm very happy, and I wish you good luck the same as I did.
Like you said, it was just destiny.
Yeah.
So hopefully our homeowners will have some destiny too. Awesome. Well, Irina, it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much for joining us today and having us to your beautiful home. Y'all, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment if you have any questions down below, and we will see you here next time. Bye.